Hey everyone, Josh Smith with GottaBeMobile.com. Today we're taking a look at a cool new set of Casetify's latest tech accessories for the Apple Watch, AirPods, and iPhone. Part of this collection is the DTLA or Downtown LA cases. They actually have the coordinates for Downtown LA on the side, and then you can customize these with whatever you want. I believe there's about a 10 character or so limit, and what's nice about this is while it's a great looking case and it's nice and thin, it also is protective. So it has 6.6 feet of drop protection. There's a cool little band here on the inside that includes some protective material, so you're going to be well protected if you drop your phone while it's in this case. Even though this will protect your phone nicely from a drop, it's still thin enough to work with wireless charging, and it's available in an array of colors. You can get the Downtown LA cases for the iPhone 6 all the way to the newest iPhone XS Max, and they range from $49 to $55, and that includes the customization on the back that you see on these cases. Next up, we have some really cool impact cases. These are available in an array of designs. I really like this cool cracked etch design that I have on my phone right now. And then we have a fun banana design and then some cool floral prints. There's loads of them over at Casetify, so make sure you check them out. These are about 50 bucks each, and even though they're slim and clear, they're made to withstand drops, so they're military standard 810G, which basically means you get drop protection with these the same as you do with the Downtown LA cases, and they're still super thin, so they work with wireless charging, and they're super expressive, and you get to see some of the color of your iPhone shine through. Whether you have AirPods or AirPods 2, you're still stuck with the same old white AirPods, but Casetify is changing that with a really cool slim case for your AirPods. And this is the neon orange and neon red. When you buy one, you get a 2-pack, so you can change up the color, or you can mix and match if you'd prefer to have two colors mixed together. And this just slides on nice and easily. It form fits, there's a cutout for the hinge, and it has a translucent design, so you can still see the charging indicator if you have the AirPods 2 with wireless charger. These are $25 for a 2-pack at Casetify. Next up, we have two of their printed watch bands, and they have some cool designs. Here's a nice design that matches one of those impact cases, and then we also have this cool remove before flight with some digital camo on it. Really like this one. I think it's gonna be my new go-to Apple Watch band. And then they also sent over one of their custom ones, and so you can go ahead and do a custom design. And in this case, I've had it monogrammed with my initials. You can choose from a variety of options to customize yours. These are really cool. These have a nice look and feel to them. So the outside here has a nice bit of texture to it, and the inside is nice and smooth, so it's gonna be a very comfortable wear. Rounding this out, we have a cool 2-in-1 leather watch band kit. So you have your normal watch band, which has a small and a small. So you have that standard watch band, and then you have this really long watch band that double wraps around your wrist, and so you get a cool, fashionable look. Thanks for joining me to check out some of these cool new options from Casetify. I really like that you can customize these cases, and they're very protective. Love these new AirPod skins in this neon orange, which, as you can guess, is my favorite color. And I also thought this is a really cool watch band with the remove before flight. They have a lot of great options, a lot of things to fit a wide range of personal tastes and styles. You can check them out over at Casetify. All of these accessories are really affordable. They're very high quality. They have a great look and feel to them. And we're really excited that we got to go hands-on with all these cool cases. Thanks for joining us. If you found this video useful, please give us a thumbs up, leave us a comment, and let us know which of these accessories you like the most, and you can subscribe for more from Gotta Be Mobile. Thanks for watching.